What's up, natural family? What's up? What's poppin'? Happy New Year once again, guys. All these vlogs will be going up late, like all, but still watch them, right? I have one uploading at the moment, so all of them I get back to back to back because I'm not getting time to edit, right? So right now, today is Sunday, the 2nd of January, and we liming. Today is Kevin's birthday, so we liming. Cheers. I'm drinking Malibu and pineapple juice, and I put a piece of pineapple in it. Nice. Guys, in the meantime, remember to subscribe. Help me out now. Subscribe, like, and share up the thing and let them know Natural is here. Stay tuned to the next clip. So guys, happy birthday is almost done, but we're doing it still. Yeah, we're doing it still. Bah! King of the balloons. Boom! Happy, Mr. Happy, happy. Happy birthday to you, Papa. God is blessing you now, Papa. Catch it, now, Kevin. You need to catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Papa, now, again.
All right.
Woo! Should I? You feel your finger?
Oh, I know.
My business.
No, Rana! Last time I wanted to do that, yes. That's not right.
Alright!
Are we going in?
Huh?
We going in.
We need it.
Drink water, my business. Boy. 20 what? What old is 40, 29? All kind of thing. He says 29, guys, so it's 29. We put 29. That we say. So we go with the flow. Happy birthday, brother. All the best. Yeah. All the best, all the best. Everything that you wish for. Yeah. Alright. Later, guys. Bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, 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 bang. In Juve here. What happened to the Juve people in the back? Juve. We don't have. Conductor. We don't have.
Go to the side. Come on the road. Hey.
I want a song like
Hey.
leave my thing when everybody now hears me and them. Happy birthday to you. You Rick Lauren.
You broke it?
It's
You broke it
break.
down it?
Break.
Well, what is it? I think I have one.
Happy
birthday
to
Wait, let's start it over. She didn't even know what this was. So now what's up with church? Blessing you. God is blessing you. Are wonderful. Happy birthday to you. When you
If we feel untried, I know you think that you from me, my gratitude I can hide. I know the ups and downs turn around, you always right by my side.
Easy now to leave.
And standing
Respect, I'm on here.
when I'm
Move your hand now.
We have something special. Very
Where's DJ? I don't know where she is. I'm pretty. I'm pretty love you. Dodope. Dodope. Go yaya. Dodope. Dodope.
What's up, natural family? What's up? What's poppin'? Yes, guys, my voice is very hoarse. I've been talking really loud with excitement for the past few days because we had birthday party after birthday party after birthday party, right? Just a few of us, and today is somebody's very, very, very special to me.
from Canada.
Just so I can't. I ain't even finished my intro. Yeah, so we have another birthday today, January 4th, 2022. And it's Lauren's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I am not consistent with putting up the videos, but I'm vlogging, putting up the videos, but y'all will get it. So in the meantime, in between time, share, subscribe, like up the thing. Next clip. We heading out. 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 Like it's gonna be a kind of rainy day. Guys, we stop and get a little breakfast. Guys, we bumped up a little traffic here on the highway. We're rich.
Free part. Are we on a free part side?
And it's looking like it's gonna be a kind of rainy day, I'm not for sure. Fully traffic, and it's after 8. So guys, if you know you're coming out, you have to reach somewhere early, you have to move real early.
Will it now? Will it?
Fully traffic ease up, guys. Had no reason for no traffic in the first place, but say what? So Betty is his first time going to the waterfall.
I went already.
You waterfall? Where? By daddy. Anyways, is it scary, Bentley? No. Woo, take your time. Watch where you're going. So guys, let me change it to the next two foreigners. Why? They're concentrated on the roots. Huh.
All right now.
Huh. Nerves. Watch Bentley, take your time. That was telling the crooks that are coming good here.
You have water to cross it?
What?
Let's go, Benji.
Yeah, nah. Just so he do be in the pitch lake, eh? A ball like 10,000, you know. Huh. Who tell you? Kevin, hold your hand now. You want to roll with the big boys? But you're right to cross water. Guys, this is my first time being here too, eh? Maracas Waterfall. Betsy, you're doing so well!
Good job, Bentley!
Woo! It's all turn now. I'm scared. Guys, not with which hand, girl? That's so. We need to get this on camera. Happy birthday. You'll be fine.
I'm going to next.
Don't she better than the cool water by me, guys? With
Right?
Eve.
Yes, we're going there.
You can't turn back just so. No. Kevin never tell me to have a hill, eh? I asked him if it's like, oh, the road. That's what he told me too.
Right in.
Forget his Trinidad too, eh? About riding. Or they watch your mother.
Are you ready? I will tell you.
Woo!
Take your time. You take all the time you need.
Yeah.
You're doing good job, guys.
This is an exercise, eh? Let's go.
But we laugh, yes? Reaches a hike, always. Always reach any waterfall, let's go a hike. Castara too, but it's it's similar like this. It's similar. It's a long stretch, but it's got a crossover thing.
Behind. Yeah, single file that way is better. Mom. Yeah.
Yeah, Bentley.
Keep this side. No, keep it on the side. You know, that's why I wanted to bring my cup. And I forget to bring my too.
What's the way you put it? But since we're not reaching Mighty Waterfall, we don't have to go too far. Woo! It's Bentley for me. This thing tipping. Guys, we're not going any further. We're staying here. Okay, guys, so we're staying here. Me and who? I can't climb with my shoulder. So, guys, this is it. We're here on a Tuesday and it's just us. Yeah, so this is it. His first time at the waterfall and Yaya. Yeah.
I want to see me throw this.
Yeah, you could throw it. You could. This is here. You could throw it. Not home. Okay, go.
Okay, let me
Whoa.
Wow.
Can do traveling.
You
Whoa.
have a right hand, a wicked right hand, eh? Yeah, look at them baby fishes.
But you can come and see it still.
Yeah, take a picture.
They're so small. You need to see them.
I got skipping. Did you see that?
Yes. DJ. His rocks are look, you see?
So guys, my shoulder hurting now.
No, I was talking to you.
Wow, that's a good one to skip.
Yeah, that's a perfect one to skip.
Woo! Wow.
You know you skip a fat.
Skipping good. You all gotta face it downward, man.
I need to get.
I
On the
skip
flat
plenty.
side, on the
I
flat
skip
side.
plenty stone.
Sorry. Oh my god.
What you see?
Alright.
So we're here skipping stones, chilling out. Kevin, yeah.
I'm skipping.
Alright.
You see?
Look at it.
Woo, Kevin, that's good. So guys, this is a competition that's gonna happen here between mother, daughter, and daughter's son. Go!
Did I win?
Yeah, I ain't get your stone of choice yet.
I need a bigger storm. No, it's not heavy. Not too heavy, but
Woo! Okay, I'll keep it on the water now. So,
okay, let's go.
oh, that was Bentley, guys. That one was DJ, guys. Yeah, I see it, but I watch you see, but I know I see Lauren. So how did stone come on this side?
Yes.
I got it.
You see mine?
If I see it, yeah, I see it.
What?
We leaving. Yeah, about 15.